Hi all. This problem belongs to the chapter called quadratic equation, or we can think of a polynomial, right? And we have to use a basic principle of having a root inside a given interval, right? First consider that given function, okay, or quadratic function. Let's go ahead. So here for this case we just consider the function as fx, right? So if I consider the function as fx, it's given as 6 minus 5x square, and obviously we have minus 2cx plus c minus 4. So that definitely gives me the function. Now we have to recall that if fx has a root in a given interval alpha and beta, it may be open, may be closed, okay, whatever. The condition is that f alpha multiplied by a beta must be less than 0. Now here it's given that the function has a root in the interval, obviously 0 to 2 or 2 to 3. So those condition or the same condition need to be satisfied. So therefore, as the roots lies between 0 to 2, so f0 multiplied by f2 must be less than 0, and f2 and f3 must be less than 0. So that's the two condition we need to satisfy to obtain the value of c. Okay, so let's calculate that without hesitation. So first we calculate f0. We can easily substitute all those values in case, and it is obviously minus 4. If I calculate the value of f2, it is obviously 4 multiplied by c minus 5, and we have minus 4c plus c minus 4. So if I solve it now, we'll find 4c minus 20 minus 4c plus c minus 4, which definitely gives you that c minus 24. Let's go ahead and apply the condition of f3. So just try to find the value. So this is 9c minus 5. And obviously we have minus 6c plus c minus 4. So if I solve it, we'll get it as 9c minus 45 minus 6c plus c minus 4, which gives you as 4c minus 49. So these are the values. Now obviously we need to substitute in this given equation. If we substitute in this given equation, we'll find the range of c, right? So that's my job. So first consider that. So if I consider f0 and f2, that product is less than 0. So if f0 and f2 is less than 0, it's imply that definitely that c minus 4 and the product of c minus 24 is less than 0. So that's definitely imply that c lies between 4 to 24. That's it. So this is the first condition. Okay. Now using the second two condition, I have to satisfy the other condition. So it says f2 and the product of f0 is less than 0, which imply that c minus 24 multiplied by 4c minus 49 is less than 0. That's imply that 49 divided by 4 less than c less than 24. What's that actually? That 49 by 4 is 12.25 less than c less than 24. That's it. Now what's that? If I name this interval as interval A and interval B, then this given two condition will satisfy in the interval A intersection B. So therefore we'll say that C must lie in the interval A intersection B. That's definitely imply that C is actually lies between 12.25 less than C less than 24. So that's the desired interval. Now observe that in this problem it is given that C belongs to the set of integer or positive integer, because we are looking for the positive integral values of C, right? So it's an integer. Now C is an integer, lies between 12.25 to 24. So that means that C is equal to, or maybe any member of the set 13, 14 and so on into it 23. So therefore, how many members are there? So I just say number of element in C, it's definitely 11, and that's it. Now how we find 11? The easiest way is that you just take 23 minus that 13, so it gives you 10 plus 1, that gives you 11. So therefore, for this particular problem, 11 is the right choice. So that's it. Now let's go ahead and see the detailed solution where each step is detailedly explained. So obviously that cleared the problem for you. Thank you.